Hello class, receiving students and teachers. Thank you, you may sit down. All right, class and receiving students, I'd like you to quickly get out a piece of paper. Quickly get out a piece of paper and write number 1. Write number 1. All right, are we ready? All right, remember, you're not allowed to copy from your friend. You're not allowed to discuss anything with your friend, okay? All right, I'll read out the question. Once I read out the question, I will give you time to do your working out neatly, and then I will tell all of you to stop. I'll tell you to put your biros down, and then we will go through the question. All right, the question is 1/5 of 20. 1/5 of 20.
I was again yesterday.
It's okay, you just... Okay, I'm going to tell you to stop very soon. Okay, everyone stop. All biros down. Receiving students, receiving teachers, tell your students to stop. Put all their biros down now. This time we'll have you to do your own correction, okay? Class, receiving students. So you'll do your own corrections, going through the working out. How did you get your answer to 1/5 of 20? 1/5 of 20. All right, looking up there at the screen, receiving students, and 6 is 1/5 of 20. All right, I want you to make your corrections if we didn't get it correct, if we didn't follow the right steps, class, receiving students, I'd like you to make your corrections, please. All right, 1/5 of 20. The of sign, sorry, the word of changes to, yes, automatically it changes to a multiplication sign, times. So we say 1/5 times 20. Okay, remember the rules or the steps. Step 1, you're multiplying the numerator with the whole number. The whole number is 20. So 1 times 20 over 5. The denominator remains. All right, so next step, what do? You cross cancel or what? Simplify, okay? Cross cancel or simplify. In this case, 5 and 20. So 5 into 5 is 1, 5 into 20 is 4. And then you multiply the numerators with the denominator. 1 times 4, 4, 1, which is equal to 4. Okay, hands up if you got, all right, 1 mark for correct working out and 1 mark for correct answer. Okay, receiving students. So a total of 2 marks. So hands straight up if you got 2 marks. 2 out of 2. Hands straight up. Receiving students, hands up if you got 2 out of 2. All right, excellent. Okay, good. Hands down. 1 out of 2. Hands straight up. 1 out of 2. Okay, very good. Receiving students. All right. For those of us who didn't get this correct, please make sure you take note, okay? Take note of the corrections. All right, very good. I'd like you to give yourselves 2 big claps. Okay, thank you. All right, now put those papers away. All right, we're going to move on to today's lesson. All right, class, up here on the board, receiving students. Okay, I have a, before I tell you what this is, can somebody, receiving students, can you tell your teacher what this is, what this chart is? Class, can somebody tell me or tell us what this chart is? What is this chart called? Christina?
Place value.
Okay, thank you, Christina. All right, this chart is called a place value chart. Okay, a place value chart. Very good. Now I'm sure in your previous grade you looked at place value. Okay, receiving students. So this shouldn't be anything new to you. All right, place value chart. Okay, now before we go into the place value, all right, I'd like you to look at these numbers here. All right, I have, how many numbers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 numbers. Now I'd like 5 volunteers, okay, receiving students. I'd like 5 volunteers to come up to the board, all right, and place these numbers here. Place these each numbers according to their place value, all right. Receiving students, I'd like you to go up to the board, okay, and put the numbers that are here or the numbers that are on the board, receiving students, I'd like you to go up and write those numbers according to their place values. All right, number one, first one, let's have, you just come up to the board. First one, put this number correctly in its place value. All right, we'll have first one. Okay, Michaeline, number one. Okay, come up to the board. Number one here. First number. Okay, number two, second number. Okay, number two. Onea. Okay, make sure put them in. Okay, that's the next row. Next row. Second row. This is for the first one. Okay, second number, third, fourth. Make sure you put them in the correct place value, in its place value. Okay. Right, firstly, let's look at number two. Can we correct number two? Okay, this second row here is only for number two, okay? Third row is for number three, third number. Fourth row for the fourth number, and the fifth here for the fifth number. So, Onea, can you come and change, put it correctly, please? This one should only be for this row, okay? 312. Where does it go? Look at the place values here, okay? Look at it and put it correctly. Put it properly. Okay, help him, help him. Help your friends, okay? Okay, let's see him. His friends will help. Okay, the third one, quickly. All right, Alison, quickly go do the third one. Let's have somebody to do the fourth one, fourth number. Quickly, you fourth one, hurry up. And the last one. We'll have the last one. Last one? Oh, last one there. Rose. Christine. Christine, you're doing the last one quickly. Okay. It's falling down. Wait. Let's take it. Okay, can you do the last one? The last one, just here somewhere. No. This is the last one. Okay, Yeah, that. Okay. All right. Let's see. I want you to check. Just have a look through and see if you disagree with any of those numbers put according to their place value. Check. Yes. Brenda. Brenda, which one?
4 and 2.
Okay, so you can change it. Wait, I just put this one here. This one is. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Still disagree? Yes. Okay. Quickly, somebody. Okay, from this side here. Robert. Robert, do you agree with the place value of that last number, 4.2? Do you agree? Is it correct? Is it put in its right place? No? Okay, can you go and fix it quickly, Robert? Or you have a look first. Okay, thank you, Robert. Okay. All right, now everyone, does everyone agree? Still no. Okay, let's just have a look. Okay, we'll check. We'll go through the numbers, huh? Okay, 25. Let's have a look. 25. Is 25 in its right place? Okay, where should 2 and 5 looks? 2 and 5 is in one column. 2 and 5 is in one column. Is this correct? No. Meaning 2 and 5 is in the tens. Is in the tens column. These two numbers are in the tens column. Correct or not correct? Not correct. So where do the numbers move? Which numbers move? 5. Where does 5 move to? 1. Okay, good. 5 moves to 1. Yep. And these 2, okay. Now you agree with this chart? Yes? Okay, good. Okay, class, today's lesson is about place value. Okay, receiving students? Today's lesson is on place value. Now I want us to have a look first at this place value chart, okay? Here, up at the top, this first row here, up at the top, these letters here, they represent, okay? They represent these place values here. For example, everyone look here. HTH stands for 100,000. Okay, 100,000. TTH stands for 10,000. TH stands for 1,000. H, 100. T, 10. Okay, you can have 0, 1, so units. Very good. You can have units. Okay. And then here you are from big, okay, starting from big to small, starting from big to small, okay? You are going, if you are facing this way, you are going right, right? From left to right, So you're starting big and you are going down, big going down small, okay, class, receiving students? So I only started here at 100,000s, okay? But you also have bigger numbers. Going to your left, you have bigger numbers, okay? So 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, okay? After the ones or the units, okay, you have a point here, all right? A decimal point, and then you have numbers, all right? Also numbers, so the place value after the point is what? Tenths. Okay, everyone say tenths. Tenths. Okay, receiving students, I'd like you to pronounce the word tenths. Tenths. Okay, that tenths is with a THS at the end. Okay, it's not the same as tens. Tenths is different from tens, okay? Remember that? Tens, T-E-N-S, is bigger than this, tens. Tens is smaller. So you have tens, hundreds, okay, with a T-H-S at the end. What's after hundreds? Sorry, after this place value hundreds, what's after hundreds? Thousands, very good. You say thousands, and then after thousands, 10,000s, and so on. All right, class, look here. Don't forget you have the place value, its place value, and also its value. All right, its value. For example, let's look at 0. Sorry, not 0, but, here, ones. Okay, once the value of 1 is 1. Okay, value of 1 is 1. This is equal to 1. 10, value of 10 is 10. Okay, value of 100 is 100. 1,000, thousands, thousands, 100,000s, 100,000s. Okay, don't forget after 1, after the place value 1, you have your smaller numbers, all right? Okay, the value of this tens here, small letter t, tens is 1 over 10. It's a fraction, okay? 1 over 10, all right? The value of tens is 1 over 10, or you can say 0.1. Same with hundreds, 1 over 100, okay? After this 1 here, you have a point, and then you have these fraction numbers, fractional numbers. They are smaller numbers. So remember, you are going from bigger all the way to smaller numbers. Is that clear, class and receiving students? Okay, let's have a look at some examples. What is the place value of 2 in the number 25, class? Receiving students, hands up. What is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 here in the number 25. Receiving students? Okay, what's Sam or who? Sam. What's the place value of 2 in the number 25?
10.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's have from this group here, what's the place value of 3 in the number 53,687? Group 5. What is the place value of 3 in the number 53,687? Pastor, give the mic.
Thousands.
Okay, thank you, Caro. Thousands. Is it correct? Yes. Here, place value of 3. See? Thousands. Okay. All right. Are we clear? Okay, one question. What is the value of, this time we look at the value. What is the value of 2? What is the value of 2 in the number 25? The value of 2, not the place value, but the value. Receiving students? Here, in this number 25, what is the value of 2? You said place value of 2, place value will be 10, sir, place value of 2. But the value, what will be the value of 2? Okay, let's have, okay, Mike, please.
T.
Okay, thank you. Value of 2. All right. Okay, in the tens, all right, you have the value of 10 is 10, 1, 0. Okay, now I have a 2. I have a 2 here in this column. What will be the value? Okay, let's have who? On there. Quickly.
10.
Okay, good try, Onea. Good try. Place the value here of 10 is 10. Okay, 10. But now I have a number 2 here. I have a number 2. What will be its value? If I put 2 here, what will be its value? Okay, Lorraine.
20.
All right, everyone, did you listen? Okay, again, Lorraine, tell the class.
20. 20.
Okay, 20. All right, class, did you hear that? 20. Okay, why 20? Because the value of 10, is 10. So if 2 is there, we multiply 2 times 10, which is equal to 20. What is the value of 5? 5 is in the ones column, so it will be just 1. You say 5 times 1 is 5. Value of 5 in here is 5. Okay, class? All right, we'll go through some more exercises to help you, receiving students. All right, everyone look up here on the screen. All right, this number here, 312. 1 has a place value of, all right, 1 has a place value of tens, and it has a value of, 1 has a value of 10. You see, 1 has a value of 10 because 1 times 10 is 10. Okay? Let's look at the other example, receiving students. 1095. Let's look at the 9. 9 has a place value of? No, place value. Place value of 9 is? Okay, place value of 9 is tens, because 9 is in the tens column. Okay, now it has a value of 90, because it's in the tens column, so if I'm asking for the value, 9 times 10, which is 90. So value of 9 is 90, okay? This one, 4.2, 2, let's look at the number 2. 2 has a value of, 2 has a place value of tens, T-E-N-T-H-S, tens, and a value of 2 over 10. Okay, receiving students. Okay, let's go through our exercise. All right, number 1, quickly correct, not correct, copy this one down quickly. 1A, B, and C, and then I'll move to the next question. Write the place value of these underlined digits, so underlined numbers. Okay, quickly write down the place value of these underlined digits. Okay, write them down quickly. So I'll move on to the next question. Okay, have you finished copying? Quickly, quickly. 4, 3, 2, 1, B. Okay, for this one, question number 1, you are going to write the place value. Okay, question number 2, you are going to write the value. Okay. Question number 2, you are going to write the value. Number 1, you are going to write the place value, but same numbers, same digits. Okay. It shouldn't take you long. It's a very simple exercise, very short. First, write down the place value, and second question, you write down the value. Okay, have you finished? Very good. Write down the place value, and then 2, write the value. Very simple. Okay, so receiving students, that's your exercise. The numbers here, you are to write the place value of those numbers, and also you are to write the value of those underlined numbers. Okay? The numbers that are underlined, firstly you write its place value, and then you write its value. Okay? All right, we're going to go through our exercise now. Okay, exercise. All right, we'll go through exercise 1. And receiving students, I'd like you to correct your exercise 2 in your own time with your students. Okay? So in your own time, you correct your exercise number 2. We'll just go through number 1, exercise 1. All right, place value of A, 4,321. The underlined digit is 4. What's the place value of 4? Class, place value? Yes, thousands? Thousands or thousands with TH, yes. With DS, just DS, not THS. Yeah? Correct? Do you everyone agree with that? Okay, let's see. Okay, A, let's just go through our answers for 1A, B, and C. All right. 4, place value is thousands. B, place value of 2 is tens. And last one, place value is of 9 is hundreds. Okay, did you get that correct, class? Receiving students? The numbers that were underlined. Okay, I'd like you to make your correction quickly. All right, we are going to stop here, receiving students and class. Let's just go through our summary for today's lesson on place value. All right, place value, class. Place value tells you how much each digit stands for, or gives you the value, or it tells you the location of a number in the place value chart. Okay, so for example, 2 is in the tens column, 5 is in the ones column. Okay, all right, so that's all for our lesson, receiving students and 7Es. Our key phrase or keyword for today's lesson is place value. In our next lesson, we're going to look at decimals. Okay, receiving teachers and students. All right, thank you very much, class and receiving students, for your participation in today's lesson.